Hello everyone, if you are new to this channel, my name is Mihail and I'm going to teach you some Carpatho-Rusyn. Today's topic, basic phrases. Let's say you met a person, you greet them, and you're going to ask them for the name. So you say, Як тя звати? Як тя звати? Як тя звати? Answer would be зватиня and your name, of course. Зватиня Мигаль. Or you can put it differently. Мене звати Мигаль. Зватиня Мигаль. Мене звати Мигаль. Then let's say you need to know the last name. That would be Як ся пишеш? Як ся пишеш? Як ся пишеш? The answer would be, of course, пишуся лежичко, or яся пишу, and so on. Пишуся, яся пишу, and follow with your surname, of course. The next question might be tricky. People also, besides the surname, might ask you the chii, or chii. This question might be answered by a surname or might be answered by something different. So people here in Subcarpathia are having kind of like a family name that is not necessarily being passed by males or anything. This is a quite typical thing for here. For example, if anyone asks me the chii, I'll answer that Я Гримотчин, Митра Ивантового. That means that my mother's surname was Hrymotchyn, and she's from the family of Mytra Ивантового. And those are not surnames. What I find interesting here is that Як ся пишеш literally means how your name is written down, which leads us to the fact that not a long time ago, an actual surname was rarely used by people. It was used mostly only in cases when you need to sign up some paper or something like that, which was not happening quite often. So that people usually use the family name, which is not necessarily a surname at all. It might be something derived from your father's name or your grandfather's name, or it might be something has to do with ethnicity of some members of your family, or even puns for real. If you're walking with your friend and you see a stranger on the street, you're going to ask your friend, Авто shto za еден? Авто shto za еден? Shto to za еден? You're basically asking, who is that guy? Who is that person out there? Let's say you met your friend. You need to ask him, how are you? How to do it in Carpatho-Rusyn. You're gonna say, Як ся маеш? This is informal or singular. For formal or plural, you're gonna use Як ся маєте? So come again. Як ся маеш? Or Як ся маєте? Як ся маеш? Як ся маєте? So let's say you're doing well. And you're gonna answer Дякую, добрі. А ти? Дякую, добрі. А ти? Which basically means thanks, I'm fine, what about you? Or maybe you're not having a good day and you're gonna answer something like Йой, такое. Йой, доста пюло, no? Or maybe you're gonna say a complete story what actually bothers you. But this is a topic for another video. But there is a difference from English. In English, if you ask a person, how are you? You're not actually waiting for any response. But here, I'm pretty sure if you know any Slavic language, the situation is going to be the same. So if a Slavic person, and precisely Carpatho-Rusyn person, is asking you, jak se maeš, they are actually waiting for a response, and you're gonna need to say something, right? I should point out that all the transcriptions I do in brackets are very, very approximate because English letters are representing different sounds. So eventually you would need to learn Cyrillic.
Красно вам дякую. Майтеся.